Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Now what the question number 1 says is divide the polynomial px. We have to divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. And the polynomial px given to you is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, whereas gx given to you is x square minus 2. So we will be dividing these two and we will be using long division method. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 to be divided by x square minus 2. Now before proceeding with the long division method, first we have to check whether the given polynomial are in the standard form. That is, it should be arranged in the descending order of the degrees of the terms. Now you can see here the highest degree is there, x cube, then x squared, then x, and then the constant is there. And similarly the divisor is also arranged in the standard form, that is highest degree and followed by the lower degree. And once we have written it like this, in this way, you have to check for the coefficients. You have to check for the coefficient of the highest degree. Now here the coefficient is 1 and dividend, the coefficient is again 1. So we have to multiply it by 1 so that we get 1 as a result. Whereas if you see x, the degree of x, now degree of x in the divisor is 2, whereas degree of dividend is 3. So we have to multiply it by x so that when we multiply x square by x, we get x cube as a result. So x square multiplied by x gives x cube. Then we have to multiply the second term of divisor, that is minus 2 with x. So minus 2 on multiplying with x will give minus 2x. So we have to write it below 5x because like terms will be added or subtracted. And then we have to find the difference. So the terms with the highest degree get cancelled and we are left with minus 3x square. Now both are having plus sign, so plus 7x minus 3. Now again we can divide it because both the this divisor and the dividend is having same degree, and the coefficient now here is minus 3, whereas coefficient of x square is 1. So we have to multiply it by minus 3 to get minus 3 as a coefficient, and degree is same. So minus 3x square plus 6. Then we subtract these and get now this division cannot be further carried out because the degree of divisor is 2, whereas the degree of remainder is x. So the division cannot be proceeded further. Now what we have to find, we have to tell the quotient and remainder. So quotient is represented by qx and quotient is x minus 3, whereas remainder is 7x minus 9. Now in question number 2 we have to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial, and the polynomial given are in the first part is are first polynomial t square minus 3, whereas second polynomial is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t to the power 3 minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now before proceeding for long division method, we have to check whether the polynomial are arranged in descending order of their degrees or not. So both the polynomial are arrange in the descending order of their degree. So we will write the polynomial now. After writing these polynomial, we have to see what is the coefficient of the highest degree of divisor, that is 1, and what is the coefficient of highest degree of dividend. The coefficient of the highest degree term is 2, whereas the coefficient of highest degree term is 1. So we'll multiply 1 by 2 to get 2, and here the highest degree term is having a degree 2, whereas the higher degree term of dividend is 4. So we will multiply it by 2 square, so we get 2t to the power 4, and on multiplying by minus 3 we get minus 6t square. Then solving, 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Now here the term of with highest degree is having a coefficient 3, whereas the coefficient here is 1. So we multiply it by 3, plus sign is there, so we multiply it by plus 3. Now here the degree is 2, here the degree is 3, so we will multiply it by t. We get 3t cube, and on multiplying it by minus 3 we get minus 9t. Further solving, minus plus these two terms with variable t cube and t get cancelled, and we are left with 4t square minus 12. Still we can carry out the division because both this remainder here and the divisor are having the same degree. So the coefficient here is 1, whereas the coefficient here in the remainder is 4, so we will multiply it by 4. Degree is same, so we get 4t square, and 3 minus 3 multiplied by 4 will give you minus 12. So remainder we get is 0. Now as the remainder we get is 0, it means that t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12, because we get remainder equals to 0. So this is how we have to do question number 2. And if the remainder is not equals to 0, it means the given polynomial is not the factor of the polynomial. Thank you.